So tonight, I have a 24-inch chainsaw with no chain. Neighbor kids across the street are home alone, having some friends over, and we're gonna scare them.
Why would you do that to me?
I got your mom's permission. Is there somebody upstairs?
They're upstairs. Go get them, go get them. They're upstairs.
Say hi, girls.
That smells so bad. Oh, it smells so bad. Why would you do that? It doesn't have a chain.
I took the chain off.
Oh, look at loud. It smells like butthole. Why would you? Oh God. Why would
Your mom told me to do it.
Oh, my mom is a jerk. That's the butthole. Oh my God, it smells so bad.
You should have seen the look on your on your brother's face.
What